If Masterclass helped you see the path, Bootcamp is where you will be able to walk that path. This is not motivation, this is not theory, this is a 3-day hands-on execution sprint where you will build a real fashion business. Over the last several years, we have helped over 200 brands and we have worked across Bangladesh, India, Vietnam, and many other countries. We know the suppliers, we know the numbers, we know the system, and most importantly, we know what works and what doesn't. And we understand the challenges and realities of how to take something from an idea to actual product and an actual brand. In these 3 days, you will create a validated niche for your business. You will get a clear-cut idea of which particular business model you need to choose, whether it's surplus flip, whether it's private label, whether it's going wholesale, whether it's through distribution partnerships. You will have a lot more clarity because you will get a complete insider information about each of these business models. You will also learn product costing. You will know what goes behind crunching certain numbers. Why does a certain t-shirt cost $3 and some other product cost $7? So you will understand what goes behind each and every line item when it comes to product costing. You will have a supplier strategy. You are not just going to negotiate only on MOQs. You will have several levers and several discussion points with suppliers. And most importantly, you will have a content engine. In content engine, everything ties back to your production, sampling, and everything. So how all of these come together, you will learn everything in the bootcamp. And last but not least, you will also have a 90-day plan to market where you will go from concept to execution in 3 months. We will run these frameworks together in our live sessions. We will validate the idea, validate the niche, check the demand, and identify the gaps. And most importantly, we will finalize your niche, which before the bootcamp was just an idea. It will be a validated thought. You will also learn how to talk to suppliers without the fear of getting scammed. You will get production ready clarity on tech packs and understand the red flags you need to avoid when it comes to suppliers. We will also provide you templates, checklists, and SOPs when it comes to working with overseas suppliers. You will learn to calculate the real product costing, the real landing price of your products, because that is what matters. You will also learn the difference between cost of customer acquisition and your average order value so that you can price your products properly. And most importantly, you will learn how to build a profitable product ladder. You will walk out with a 30-day content plan that actually ties to your product and samples. By the end of 3-day bootcamp, you will have a complete roadmap, not just on sampling, production, but also your entire go-to-market strategy, whether it's content, influencer marketing, UGC, everything from sampling to execution to distribution to logistics. You will learn every little detail in this intense 3-day bootcamp. And also you will learn how to manage your budget, how to finance inventory, how to get different types of payment terms from suppliers, like variations of credit terms, letter of credit, all the other things. And we are going to dig entirely, we will spend an entire module only on funding and how you can finance your business. And most importantly, at the end of this bootcamp, I can assure you that you will have absolute confidence in your business and your numbers. It will not just be some assumption or a figment of imagination. The numbers will be validated from industry experts, including me. This bootcamp is not for people who are simply exploring. So I want to make sure that you understand this part. It is for people who build. If you are ready to take action, stick with me, because over the next 3 days, we are going to be building your entire business from ground up. And if you're still not sure about the bootcamp, you can join the masterclass and get a feel of it. Think of it like a mini trailer before the bootcamp. You can join the masterclass with the link below and try to get a feel of how the bootcamp is, or you can simply join the bootcamp directly.